think it's all good. It's all good. Ha? Diri pa mas bubot, diri ra na.
Wala ka ba mo yung kaligo?
Yeah, nagmagligo.
Dili sa lagay ko sa family.
Ulahi ra siya, unya na lang na siya. Kita sa una. Oh, niya, dagat. Shout out Isiloy, shout out 3 people, shout out. So, we're going on the swimming pool. Asam taon na? Madura sa dagat una or... Ha? Init. Pagtapos na project, so nagpapagawa ka pula ng bahay. Nagpapagawa ka ng bahay ngayon. Nagpapagawa ka ng bahay ngayon, Isiloy. Hindi pa tatapos yung bahay nyo, ng mama mo. Hindi pa tapos. Hi, Past Hunter! Hi, shout out! I know you tried to call me earlier. You tried to call me earlier, and I was busy because I was talking to my boyfriend. I was talking with my boyfriend. I know you called me. I know you called me. Shout out is Past Hunter. I'm in the beach right now. Vacation time. No vacation time. No vacation time. Just Sunday half a day, and then go home. Then go home. Yeah, just like that. How are you, Past Hunter? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing, Past Hunter? Just I'm here the same at the beach. I know you called me. So, what time is it there now? Are you still working at night? Are you still working at night? Yung malaki ang gastos yung pangharang sa likod ng bahay namin kasi likod ng dagat. Ah, okay. Isiloy, I'm sure na napakalagi talagang magastos niyan kasi kayo, nasa tabing dagat kayo. You're in just next to the beach or ocean. Oh, you're getting ready for bed? Oh, okay. You're getting ready for bed. I will show you around. I will show you around at the beach.